The fish is lightly battered and deep fried. Then it's coated with a sweet and sour sauce for a glossy, grand finish. Chinese eat fish during Chinese New Year because it symbolizes good fortune. I hope that you will enjoy it and Happy Chinese New Year! Make 4 to 6 evenly spaced cuts on each side of the fish. Without cutting off the flesh. On a large plate, transfer the fish on it. Season it with rice wine, salt, ginger, and scallions. Marinate it for about 10 minutes. Discard the liquid, ginger, and scallions. Dust it with cornstarch. In a large bowl, combine the cornstarch, salt, baking powder, baking soda, egg white, and cold cup soda. Mix until completely smooth. Coat the fish with the batter. In a pot over high heat, add the oil inside. And heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold the fish by the tail and carefully spread the hot oil over the fish to set its form. Place the fish in the pot. Deep fry until completely cooked through for about 4 minutes. Take out the fish, drain, and transfer to a plate. In a small pot over medium heat, add the chicken stock, ketchup, sugar, rice vinegar, and salt. Whisk. Then add the ginger, garlic, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. Mix and followed by the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. In Chinese, the word for fish, 鱼, has the same pronunciation as the word for abundance. When saying the blessing 年年有余, Chinese people express wishes for abundance and riches in the coming new year. It's very crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. I hope that you have enjoyed this episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Happy Chinese New Year! Bye!